Today, President Trump's 25% tariff on all imported steel and aluminum is in effect. He did, however, reverse course on a 50% tariff on Canada. Listen to what he had to say about his discussions with our neighbor to the north. Roll it.
I will say this, that already Canada, and I respect very much, as you know, there's a very strong man in Canada who said he was going to charge a surcharge or a tariff on electricity coming into our country. He has called and he said he's not going to do that. Okay, he's not going to do that. We've been treated very unfairly by Canada. We've been treated very unfairly by Mexico. But we've been treated very unfairly by every country all over the world. The European Union is horrible, horrible. And we're going to get it back. We owe $36 trillion, and we're going to get it back. We're the biggest, we're the best, and I'm very optimistic.
All right, look who's here with me now, Mr. Wonderful himself, Kevin O'Leary. Kevin, Trump appears to have won yesterday's battle. The Ontario Premier backed off those electricity export tariffs. But the markets, they remain, not today, but over the past couple of weeks, they're rattled by the uncertainty of this tariff battle. Are you rattled by it?
No, I'm not. You got to remember that Canada's a unique situation. Trudeau is gone as of midnight on Sunday. There's no leadership federally, so you've got the premier of each province. The one we were just talking about there was Doug Ford from Ontario that threatened the electricity banning. He's on his way to Washington right now. Howard Lutnick's going to be negotiating with him. So is Burgum. At the end of the day, though, the real question, I'm looking forward to hearing from Howard, is this a rebalancing of all tariffs? April 2nd, we're supposed to get a reciprocal tariff schedule on every tariff in every country. Yep. That's interesting. But does Howard see the opportunity of merging the economies? Because if it's no, I just want war on every single commodity, that's a different stance than saying, look, we're going to balance this thing first. If there's tariffs on butter coming out of Vermont into Canada at 240%, we're going to do the same. We're going to get rid of these tariffs one day and join these economies, not sell the country, but the potential of taking Canadian resources and combining with the largest market in the world is so huge. I think that's where he wants to go.
So can we get to real free trade?
Yes. With Canada, it would be huge because it would beat China by 40% in terms of the size of the economy.
Okay, Kevin, stay there, please. You want to stay with me for the hour?